Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a little unboxing to share with you guys. This was actually my Mother's Day present from my daughter, but it just arrived today, and yeah, I wanted to do a true unboxing just to share it with you guys, and then I'll tell you kind of the story behind it. So it came in this little bag, and if you're wondering, no, the stores are not open here in Toronto, but you can order things through your sales associate, but please don't message me asking for my sales associate's contact information. They are really only doing this, I think, for existing customers. I think they've been kind of flooded with people trying to get items before the price increase, and I don't think they really want us sharing contact info at this point. It's just they don't have the resources. They're only in the store a couple times a week. So yeah, please don't message me about that. I get messages like that all the time, and as much as I'd like to help you, I don't think I can do that, unfortunately. So anyway, they sent this to me, and it arrived like this, just like as if I bought it in the store. So let's unbox it together. It's just a small item, but I'm excited about it. So there's the receipt. I will share the price afterwards. Wrapped beautifully as always. Okay, so I'm sure you can tell from the box that it is an SLG. There's the care booklet and the dust bag to reveal. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so here is my new purple caviar card holder. Let's just take a look at it because this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. It's really cute. Okay, so the story behind this is we actually, when we were in Orlando in March, the beginning of March, before everything shut down, obviously, and I purchased a few things from Chanel there. I do have a video on that if you haven't seen it. We saw a card holder, not this style, but I think it was just a flat card holder in this color, and my daughter was like, oh, please get that. It's so pretty. I like this purple. And I reminded her that she had picked a purple card holder for me for Christmas when we were on vacation last November, and it was the filigree one. But she said she liked this purple better, and this is more of, it's not coming up true to color, unfortunately, right now, but it's a different shade of purple. This on camera, it's actually coming up as a similar shade to the filigree one, but it's actually not. Anyway, I said to her, you know, if you want me to have this purple, then I need to sell the other one. So I didn't get the purple one that day because I was getting other items, and I told her, you know, we'd find something later if I end up selling the other one. And so I did end up selling the other one, actually, to a local subscriber. Hi, if you're watching. I don't know if you want me to say your name on camera, so I won't, but hi, you know who you are. Yeah, so I sold it to a lovely subscriber who loves it and is really happy with it, and so I, to replace it, got this. And this is a style that I really wanted to try because it just seems like it will be really practical. It's got 5 card slots here on this side, and then it's got a card slot under this flap, as well as a zipped compartment. And I'm assuming that authenticity card's in there, so let me just get that out. And this one is made in Spain. And just to show you, this is a 29 series, and yeah, it's caviar. It's a really pretty kind of shiny caviar, and it's a really cute piece. I'm excited to have this. I mean, I'm not a big purple person, but for an SLG, this is definitely a purple that I like for an SLG for sure, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of this since it seems to hold quite a few cards. And yeah, my daughter is really happy for me to have something in this shade of purple now. So yeah, so that's just my little Mother's Day unboxing. I actually picked up one other thing before the price increase, which has not arrived yet, and I will share that with you in my next video probably. But yeah, for now, this is my latest edition. I'm happy to have gotten it before the price increase. I will share the current price, although it will be outdated pretty soon. So the price in Canadian dollars was $835 plus tax. Tax here is 13%. So the total came to $943.55. So a lot for a card holder, but it does seem to be more practical than that, just the plain flat card holder that I had before. I think this will hold more cards, which I carry a lot of cards and not a lot else. I rarely have cash and coins. If I do bring them, I bring my coin purse. So I need something that just holds a lot of cards. So I'll do a little review on this if anybody wants to see it, and show you how many cards it fits at some point. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram if you haven't already. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.